welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Supreme Court tells Goa government to continue with NEET admissions. Petitioner students claim that they will be reinstated. CLP opposes Mopa Airport, decides to brief Union government to scrap the project, asks government to reconsider increased school timings. Czech tourist lady murdered at a guest house in Kalangut. Her boyfriend confesses of murder. Police cracks case within 12 hours. Indian Navy has transferred 34.44 acres of land to Airport Authority of India in Goa. Defence Ministry replies to Shantaram Naik's question in Rajya Sabha. And Dawson Fernandez relishes opportunity to play for India. Sporting Club de Goa forward overcomes tough times to put his career back on track. Now news in detail. NEET pass-out candidates and petitioners have claimed that the Supreme Court has directed Goa government to readmit them in the medical courses. Government had cancelled admissions for PG courses at Goa Medical and Dental College after Supreme Court declared the NEET null and void.
The Supreme Court on Wednesday heard the petition filed by the Goa government seeking direction in NEET pass-out candidates. Dr. Anish Lavande, petitioner before the Supreme Court, informed Prudent that the Supreme Court has directed Goa government to reinstate their cancelled admissions for PG courses at Goa Medical and Dental College. Dr. Anish also said that the Apex Court has issued notices to Medical Council of India and Dental Council of India to know the options available for the MBBS pass-out candidates at national level.
Supreme Court has basically said that our admission should be, we should be admitted again into the college. So we are quite happy. And now in the next hearing, which is on Tuesday, it will be decided as to what happens to the other students who have been admitted now. MCI and DCI will be coming to court, their representative. Finally, what is happening is you cannot keep 90 doctors on 45 seats.
Meanwhile, Congress has lodged a complaint at Anti-Corruption Branch against Chief Minister, Health Minister and Secretary of the Health Department. Congress has demanded criminal probe for messing up the PG course admission in GMC and GDC.
सरकारान पळय जे कितें हो निर्णय घेतला हो मालाफायड इंटेन्शनान घेतलेलो आसा, पर्सनल ग्रेटिफिकेशन हितून आसा आनी इंटेन्शनली कोणाक तरी एक फॅमिली राज आपले सांबाळपाक लागून हो निर्णय घेवन सरकारान संपूर्ण भुरग्यांचेर अन्याय केल्लो आसा. तेची सखोलपणान चवकशी जावची हितून कोण कोण घुसपाल्लेले आसा पळय ते.
Nationalist Congress Party has taken the NEET issue to the governor.
We have asked the governor, we have also demanded that he conducts an inquiry as to why the top 13 students did not opt for NEET merit list but went to All India list. Secondly, there are two students, both are girls, who have got postgraduate seats in radiology, for which purpose this whole fiasco is going on, this hera-pheri that is going on, that their lives should be protected.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
CLP has resolved to oppose Mopa Airport and meet the central government for further development of Dabuni Airport. The legislature wing has called for reconsideration of school timings by the government. Former Education Minister Babush Montserrat has slammed CM by saying that Parrikar should not make school timing a prestige issue. CLP met on Wednesday at Altino residence of the opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane.
Congress Legislature Party has opposed Mopa Airport. CLP has resolved that Daboli Airport is enough for Goa. Pratap Singh Rane has said that Congress will brief Union government about their stand.
We have said Mopa should wait. There is no hurry about it. First, let us complete the modern terminal at Daboli, see how it functions, and when the need comes, we will see, because we have spent so much money on Daboli. Bombay, they are going to have a new airport. Has it come? It's going to take time. The present airport is functioning. They have spent so much money on that.
Former Education Minister Babush Montserrat has called for reconsideration of the revised school timings.
Because there is some confusion regarding timings of the schools. A lot of children, small children of the primary school, have to eat their food at about 2:45 in the afternoon. And they have to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning, and little young people have to go to school. The school timings have to be reconsidered. RT Act, you see, already in Parliament they have already said that Goa is having extra hours of teaching. So reconsider the whole thing.
See, Right of Education Act, there are so many things in Right of Education Act. If you implement Right of Education Act in toto, I think all the schools will have to be shut down. Now, I don't understand what is the logic of the Chief Minister, for a simple reason. When the Chief Minister, now I think, what when he doesn't know how to go back. You know, now he, since he has already basically made it a prestige issue, I think things of children are concerned. Where education is concerned, you should not take this as a prestige issue.
Pratap Singh Rane has blamed mining ban for the increasing crime rate in the state.
The other things are about law and order also. A lot of house breakings are taking place. This is because of the slump in the market, overall slump. Mining has come to absolutely standstill. I think government will have to act fast to take up the matter at the Supreme Court level and at the level of the central government.
With our senior reporter Lokik Shilkar, our video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
A Sikh lady national was found murdered at a guest house in Kalangut. Police cracked the case within 12 hours. They arrested her 19-year-old boyfriend from TV. He confessed to murdering her after detailed interrogation.
24-year-old Czechoslovakian girl and her 19-year-old lover came to Goa on Saturday and put their stay at Baga at Greenleaf House. Her lover was found in an unconscious state at TV on Tuesday. He claimed that some unknown person abducted him and left him at TV. The owner of the guest house gave us more details.
boyfriend आपल्या कोणी मारलं पुलिस सांगले आणि आपल्या मग ती दवरलो आणि मागीर 6:30 मागायले ते पुलिस आणि मग पुलिसान म्हाका फोन मारलो अशें जालां म्हणून आनी मागीर हांगा रावले आनी मागीर म्हापसा गेले पुलीस स्टेशन तेका भितरूच मारलेले आसले हय भितर मारलेले आसले.
Corpse of the deceased Czech national Markéta Vorka was found in the guest house. Now the lover of the deceased girl has admitted that he committed the murder.
During the detailed investigation and interrogation of this particular accused, Powell, he has confessed of committing murder of his friend in the room in the night, and thereafter he taken an alibi that he has been kidnapped and taken to Mapsa. He has also admitted that he, after committing a murder of his friend, he has used the knife and caused self-inflicted injuries on both the wrists. We have arrested the Czech national Powell in our crime, and we have forwarded him for the medical examination, and also we have submitted the dead body for the medical examination, for the post-mortem examination, and reports are awaited.
Bureau Report Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.